What is up, guys? Today this video is going to be something a little different. We're going to be talking about buying books. So I've been purchasing some books lately. So typically when I read, it's on the computer, and I'm like really sick of that, and I need to have a physical copy of something. It just feels more natural to me. It doesn't hurt my eyes as much. So I've been picking up some books. I got some books here. We're gonna talk about these books. I'm gonna be full disclosure. I haven't read all these books. I've read this book all the ways through. I started to read this, and I've skimmed this, and then this is what I just used to reference stuff, right? So first, we'll talk about this book. Don't buy this book. This book is fucking pointless. You get halfway into the book before it asks you, yo, look at this, look. I don't know how I just opened it to the right page. What is Kali Linux? That's halfway through the book, dude. You're gonna explain to me what Kali Linux is halfway through the book? Okay, bud. This book I don't recommend. It's actually kind of shocking to me, skimming this, because it makes me realize just how much, like, your average security researcher, when they get started, how much they don't know about Linux, and that's kind of fucking scary to me, you know what I mean? Just a little bit scary. So yeah, this one's kind of pointless. I guess if you were, like, really, really new, and you needed an explanation of, like, what a black hat, and a gray hat, and a white hat, and a red hat, and all these people are, sure, this is great, but I'm pretty much past all that. And as you can see, it's got pictures, so it's made for Zoomers who have a very small attention span because of TikTok and stuff like that. So yeah, see, I probably wouldn't recommend this. I got it for $10 though, so I can't complain. This one, we got the all-in-one guide, cybersecurity Bible, really, really big ass fucking book. This is another one you could probably skip. This is good if you really just want to learn, like, just like real basic concepts. Honestly, the only thing I took from this book was the explanation of, like, the different types of mesh networks or the different types of network structures that you see in companies and stuff like that. Like, that was pretty cool. What is it? Actually, I'm like right kind of near it. Like micro segmentation, orchestration, all this, web application firewalls. Like, this is good knowledge, and I like the print. Like, if you look at the book, it's got like fucking matrix shit printed, like binary, like ones and zeros just floating in the background. It's a pretty cool book. Like I said though, like, if you're a complete absolute noob, like, this is good for you. This is like, I'm well beyond this. I don't need this. So the next one we'll talk about, I picked up The Cathedral and the Bazaar. This is a pretty cool book. I've listened to people do talks about this, and I was like, you know what? I'll pick it up. It was like, I don't know, $15 or something. It was real cheap. Yeah, so I'll be reading this probably over the weekend. I really like the cover. The artwork on it's beautiful. Yeah, and it's just kind of like talking about how, you know, proprietary software screws you and steals all your data, and it's basically like if Richard Stallman was a book. Here you go. I'm sure he's read this and he probably loves it. Yeah, very, very nice purchase. Yeah, a lot of these, like, yo, see, that's like $25. Like, I got this shit for like 10 or $15 on Amazon. Most of these I got at a nice discount. So this is Hackers and Painters. I got it all fucked up in the mail, but I don't care. I paid $10 for it. It's whatever. This is more kind of like a big picture idea book for, like, development groups and, like, stuff like that. Pretty cool. I haven't honestly delved too hard into it, but I'm sure it'll be a nice read. From what I've read of it, it's pretty kino. So yeah, shout out to Paul Graham. Great idea for a book. And then next, we're going to talk about this thing. You know what's funny? They call this the cybersecurity Bible. This is actually a fucking cybersecurity Bible. Look at this fucking book right here. This thing is crazy, bro. And so, like, I'm like going to the bathroom this morning, and I was just kind of like pawing through this. Bro, they got so much stuff in here. Look, they're talking about single board computers. Dude, like, what? They got some stuff with like all this like Bluetooth device stuff. Bro, this book right here, this is a fucking purchase. This, you gotta get this. This thing's cool. This has so much cool stuff. There's stuff about like, I don't know, like Metasploit and Burp Suite and like all sorts of cool stuff. Hacking and security. Look, and yo, this is a $60 book. I got it for $40. Not bad. Not bad at all. See that? $59.99. Yo, they got you for $75 in Canada. Yeah, this is probably the best purchase that I've made so far. And honestly, if somebody like broke into my house, this thing is so heavy, I could do some damage with it. Like, definitely, bro. Like, word up. But yeah, this is probably what I'm going to be reading the most. And what's nice is it's like all sectioned out, kind of like how a Bible is. Like, you see on the side. So then I can like just kind of just look at one section, like, and just reference that section. And I'm not going to sit here and try to read this whole thing at once. You know what I mean? That would be pretty unreasonable. But yeah, this has got all sorts of stuff in it, bro. Like, what do we got here? I see a little code. Attack vector USB interface. What does this do? Delete all password. Oh, this is like, dude, this is just like stealing some people's passwords and then replacing it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to read into this deeper, but yeah, this book is fucking cool, dude. Yeah, definitely purchase this if you get a chance. Like, anybody, if you're just into whatever, like, buy this thing. It's fucking dope. So dope. Anyway, so that was just a little quick video. I just wanted to talk about some of the books I picked up recently. I do plan on collecting a lot more of these, because they're just nice to know about. I'd like to get some of the printed manuals for stuff. Like, if I could get a Vim manual, that would be really sweet. Or like maybe like the Rust programming language, or like something that I'm interested in. Like, yeah. Anyway, so if you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the cool stuff. Thank you for wasting your time with me. I hope you guys have a good night and you enjoy everything going on. All right.